Particular. Today we will be solving GFG problem of the day. The problem name is longest consecutive subsequence. In this question, we have given an array of non-negative integers, and we have to find the length of longest subsequence such that the elements in the subsequence are consecutive integers, and the consecutive numbers can be in any order. So first of all, it is not a subsequence because it could be in any order. Okay. So what we can do is we just have to find out the length of longest valid longest consecutive things. Okay, so let's suppose we have given this array. So in this, if we try to find out the longest one, which is a 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, if we have to find out for this, then we are having a 1, we are having a 2, we are having a 3, we are having a 4. Okay, so what we can do is we can sort the array. After that, we can just check it is a equals to pages plus 1, and we can just do count plus equals to 1. That is one thing. But there could be one more case, which is as let's suppose we are having a 2 and we got another 2. Okay, so then we don't need to consider the another 2. We have to move to 3. Okay, so let's suppose we are having a this kind of situation: 1 2 2 3 4 4 5. So what will be the output for this? It should be 5. So we have to skip the same element. Okay, so how we can do that? Array dot sort. First we are sorting it. After that, the length of the array, then the maximum length, we have to return the max, then I, which is the index, while I is lesser than n. Previous could be array of I minus 1, and while I is lesser than n, and we are having a count which is 0, I can say, and previous equals to array of or so this case array of I double equals to previous, that means we got the same number again. So we previously where it is 2 and now also it is 2, so we have to skip it. Okay, so if previous plus 1 equals to array of I, then only our count will be increased, and previous will be array of I plus equals to 1, and here that's it. Let's run it. It is working. Let's try to submit it. Okay, it is working absolutely fine. So what we have done is we just sort the array. After that, we have taken a max, which will be storing the maximum length. After that, we are just doing a while loop. We have taken a previous. After that, we are just checking that the previous plus 1 is equals to the current array element, or the current array element is equals to the previous one. That is for the case when we are having our duplicate the same elements. Okay, if the array element is equals to the previous plus 1, that means let's suppose we are having a 2, so previous was 1, so we have to increase our count. Okay, and after that just previous equals to array of I, and I plus equals to 1 for index increasing, and then we are just taking the maximum count, and here we are returning the maximum one. Yeah, so this is for this problem. If you have any doubt in this problem, please let me know in the comment section. I will try to solve it. Thank you.